Subscribe now and press the bell icon.
आईसीसी ने वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल के क्वालिफिकेशन नियमों में बदलाव किया, जिसका मतलब था कि भारत को फाइनल का टिकट पाने के लिए इंग्लैंड को 2-1 या उससे ज्यादा के अंतर से हराना था।
So there's no point adding extra pressure as a team. For us, it remains a game of cricket, one at a time, one session at a time, 1 hour at a time, and that's how the success is achieved in the longest format of the game.
Here we are in Chennai. Test cricket is back in India after a gap of 14 months.
चेन्नई में खेले गए पहले मुकाबले में जो रूट ने शानदार डबल सेंचुरी ठोकी और भारत को हाथ नसीब हुई।
And what a scintillating way to get to a double hundred.
मतलब अगर भारत सीरीज में एक और मैच हारता तो फाइनल की रेस से बाहर होता।
Oh, what a wicket for Tom Best.
No excuses. We are a side that accepts our failures, accepts our faults, and works on them. And one thing for sure, that the next 3 test matches, we're going to give it, a tough fight, and we're not going to let situations slip away like we did in this test match for sure. So it's going to be hard for cricket for the next 3 tests.
गलती की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं। ऐसे में टीम इंडिया ने दूसरे टेस्ट में धमाकेदार वापसी की। हिटमैन शर्मा ने शतक लगाया। लोकल बॉय अश्विन ने 5 विकेट झटके। और उसके बाद चेन्नई क्राउड के सामने एक बेहद खास सेंचुरी भी। और डेब्यू कर रहे अक्षर पटेल ने अपनी खिड़की में अंग्रेजों को फंसाकर सीरीज 1-1 से बराबर कर दी।
India winning this test match comprehensively and making it 1-1 in the series.
I'm here with the man of the match. Very special performance in his hometown. 8 wickets and a century in the second innings in very, very tough conditions. Ash, how is the feeling? I know you've done very well in Test cricket and you take a lot of pride in doing well for the team. But this collective performance, which you've been actually working very hard for a long time now, to happen in front of your home fans and your family as well. How does it feel?
I don't know. Actually, for the first time in my career, I feel blank. And when I went out to bat yesterday as well, I was blank. When I came and asked you, can I start sweeping? Can I do a sweep? So that's exactly how I feel. Zero feelings or emotions inside. Very rarely I find myself in such situation. You know me very well. My mind is always ticking. But for a change, it's really blank. And like I've been mentioning, there has been quite a sense of frustration in terms of people, expecting things out of me which I'm capable of, but I've not been able to quite do it with a bat. But out there, especially being 1-0 down, what I did was something incredible. Yes, I had things go my way, but that partnership between us really set the tone. I'm so pleased for it.
उसके बाद सीरीज का अगला मुकाबला हुआ दुनिया के सबसे बड़े स्टेडियम अहमदाबाद में, जहां दोनों टीमों के बीच डे नाइट टेस्ट खेला गया। तो दोनों टीमों के बीच खूब तू भी हुई।
I don't understand why a ball, a cricket ball, the cricket pitch, all these things are brought into focus. Why don't we just focus on the fact that the batsmen were just not skilled enough on that pitch to play properly, and it was a bizarre display of batting by both teams in a test match, and I will continue to maintain that because I played this game long enough to understand what happens on the cricket field.
लेकिन लोकल बॉय अक्षर पटेल का जादू यहाँ भी बरकरार रहा। पटेल ने 11 शिकार किए और भारत सीरीज में 2-1 से आगे हो गया। सिर्फ 2 दिन के भीतर ही ब्लूज ने इंग्लैंड को चारों खाने चित्त किया। 1930 के बाद बॉल्स के आधार पर ये सबसे छोटा टेस्ट मैच।
Rohit Sharma wins it in style to seal an emphatic win for India in less than 2 days.
आखिरी टेस्ट में भी टीम इंडिया के स्पिनर्स इंग्लिश बल्लेबाजों पर बहुत भारी पड़े। अक्षर और अश्विन की जोड़ी ने इंग्लैंड की पारी को दबा दिया। वहीं ऋषभ पंत और वॉशिंगटन सुंदर ने मैच में बल्ले से अपना कमाल दिखाया।
Now we can accept and admit that we are in the final. It was more of a distraction till now for us because we are honest side that's very committed to playing Test cricket, and all these extra things can be a distraction for us. There was never a question of commitment or whether we're going to go for a win or not. It did become a bit of a distraction for us in New Zealand, but from then on, it was just focused on one game at a time, and now we are in the finals, which we can't wait to be a part of.
This is not something that's come overnight. This is to be on top of the table in the World Test Championship is 2.5 years of work. And for those 2.5 years to be successful, it's been 6 years prior to that. And to be honest, the boys just took one series at a time. They weren't really bothered about the World Test Championship. Let me be honest here, because the goalpost gets shifted, every time. We were hitting the table and some rule came on percentage system when you were not even playing. But never mind all that. You've got 520 points. You deserve to be on top of the table and playing that final.
इंग्लैंड को 3-1 से हराने के बाद टीम इंडिया पॉइंट्स टेबल की नंबर 1 टीम का ताज लिए बड़ी शान से वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैंपियनशिप फाइनल में पहुंची.
Subscribe now